Hello guys, most welcome in Technology Welfare. See, in this video tutorial I will tell you how you will make the playlist in your YouTube, whatever the video you have uploaded. That's if you're planning to make the playlist. And then firstly we will go open the browser and then go in a YouTube. Suppose, for example, I elected this channel and enter the password here. After entrance, yes, now we are in your channel. So then we will go for the Creative Studio. Yes, after going in the Creator Studio, then we will go in a Video Manager, and after coming in the Video Manager, we will click on a playlist, and after going in the playlist, we will go for new playlist here. Here whatever you would like to make your the playlist. Suppose see Hindi song. Suppose I have written here Hindi songs. Now we will click here, we will create, and after creating we will go in a edit. After coming in the edit, we will go in a Add Video, and then once again we will go for URL, then open the once again another browser and go in a YouTube your channel once again, and you have to go once again in Creator Studio. After going in the Creator Studio, you have to go once again in Video Manager, then go in Edit, then here this is your video URL. So yes, Control plus C, copy, then you have to paste in a URL here in the first browser of your page, and here we will add. Now see dear, it's a video. Now you're in this song playlist. Here one thing is important, that if you have uploaded many videos here, then what you have to do, now see, here is the option, which one you prefer to top, which one you prefer to move to bottom, and set at the playlist thumbnail also. So this facility has been given. Suppose I have here selected here move to top. So when you open, any user will open your channel, the top ad, this song will be reflect. So definitely my dear, this is way to make the playlist in your YouTube. So thank you very much guys.